Hey, final video for my job search org. I wanted to show you the different flows that I created for this project. So the first one is a scheduled triggered flow that runs daily. So if 30 days have passed since I applied for a job and I haven't heard from the recruiter, the flow is going to mark the application as no response and will be close lost. So I use the get records element that's going to search for the application that has the stage name applied. And then it's going to search for the close date if it's more than 30 days and mark them as no response. For the second flow here, it automates the creation of a task on the follow-up date. So I set it up about 7 days after I applied, and it gives me a reminder to follow up with the recruiter. So there's a decision element here, so it's going to check up like the correct date, and it's going to create a task. So like a few elements here, like with the activity date, the owner ID, to have a subject and the what ID. For the third flow is when I change the stage from apply to interviewing. The flow creates a record on the interview object. So yeah, I use on the job application object, it search for the stage name equals interviewing, and we got a create records element on the interview object, and I need the field job application and the field name. And finally, the fourth flow, it's a record trigger flow again on the interview objects. So when an interview is scheduled, it automatically creates an event. So pretty straightforward one. Interview, it needs to be scheduled, and we gotta create event for interview on the interview event object, excuse me. We got the subject, what ID, start date time, and the duration in minutes. So I set it up for the interview for 60 minutes. So thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.